guys.
Hi there guys, welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes guys.
Okay guys, as we have spoken on our previous video about Nigeria implementing the CBDC, that you must not say it is far from you, so it will not happen to your country near you or into your own country itself. We mentioned that on our previous video. I think it's a long video, right?
Yeah,
we did it, but we'll call it our previous video,
yes,
where we mentioned that you must not say it will not come to your country, the CBDC, as America is expected to implement its own CBDC in July. In July. Yeah, guys.
So banks are closing.
Banks are closing, guys. Banks are really in trouble. They have problems since CBDC is not planning to use the bank. I think the government will be the dictator of the CBDC. Everything will run by the government. So total lockdown, guys. You will have no say. You will have no move. You will have no chance of doing what you want with your money. They will dictate to it 100%.
That's true. Yes, and our country decided on that midst of the banks to print a new face of the money.
South Africa did something amazing. I will call it amazing because I don't understand it, guys. They just decided that they will create a totally new design of a paper money.
Yes.
Totally new design.
A beautiful one.
It's beautiful. I agree. It is beautiful. If you have not seen it, guys, just Google it. I'm sure it's all over the internet now. The new design that South Africa has just came up with of a paper money.
That's true.
But the bizarre, confusing thing is that we are moving away from the fiat.
The cash money.
We are moving away from the fiat, and they made a totally new design. That is the bizarre thing that we are puzzled about. Why are they doing that? Meanwhile, they have themselves introduced our CBDC, which is called PayShap, and on the other hand, they are designing a new paper money, of which is like really confusing.
That's true.
Why they would do such a thing? Maybe it's a trick.
They're tricking us.
Maybe just to keep us thinking or not see what's happening, what's going to happen.
So for that we won't see what's happening around the world. We think we are not included in that CBDC.
Oh yeah, maybe. Since we are printing new money, so it's like we'll be sticking to paper money, not like other countries adopting CBDC.
But
meanwhile, they've introduced PayShap
already in their apps.
Even if you go to your bank app, your bank app tells you to register for PayShap, which is our CBDC. It's called PayShap, guys. If you have not heard about it,
So once you have registered on that CBDC, they will limit your amount of cash that you use. It's gonna be tough.
You will not have full control over it, guys. To be limited. You'll have a set amount that you can spend. And if you don't spend certain amount, it will expire.
It will expire.
Your money will have an expiry date, which will really be set. And we've mentioned that on our previous video as well. And
then in some other countries they've introduced it that if you have used a certain amount of cash more, you'll get in jail.
If you're all making a transaction. If you are doing a transaction, guys, which is above the set limit, I think you will either pay a fine
or go
if you use I don't know how to explain this one. Other countries, guys, like if you, not even other countries, with the CBDC thing that's been implemented, if you are caught spending above the set limit
of cash,
using cash, you will be either fined or jailed just by doing that. There will be a set limit that you can purchase something above this price cash.
You have to
You'll have to use a CBDC
That's
if you are
true.
making such a transaction.
Because business will force to go to CBDC,
Yes.
whether they like it or not.
Whether they like it or not, guys, businesses will be forced into CBDC.
So it's gonna be tough, guys.
It's really going to be tough.
Yeah.
You have no choice. Businesses will have no choice. But people like us, maybe we will have a choice. Because we will be having one of these
silver and gold.
We don't
and
know.
Other precious metals.
We don't know how it's gonna come into play during the CBDC times, but hopefully it will help us. Because sometimes your account will be even frozen. They can even freeze your account if you are not behaving in a manner that I find appropriate.
That's true.
They will freeze your account and you will just have no say. And they will say at a certain point, a certain amount of money has to be used on your account. If you don't use it, it will expire. So you will be forced to spend even if you don't want to.
That's
true. What you buy as well, you will not buy whatever you want.
So you rather prepare now. We're still emphasizing to prepare.
Yes, guys. Stack on food and all that.
Those necessary things that are needed.
And we mentioned, when I mentioned stacking food, that food will still be around. It's just that the price will be high.
You won't afford.
There will be that shortage of food. No, you just won't afford it. That's what's going to happen.
That's true.
I think today's video is just about that, guys.
Simple, straightforward. It's happening. It's not years now, it's months.
It's happening everywhere. We mentioned it, and that it will happen
in few months
in other countries as well. And now look what's happening. America as well. China did it long ago. Nigeria, South Africa is doing it. It's happening to a lot of places, guys.
Because remember when we were watching another YouTuber and he was in Nigeria and he said he had difficulties of there's no cash.
There was no cash in Nigeria.
There was no cash.
I think Nigeria is just shipping away from cash totally. He said that he really struggled to get the cash. Everything is digital now, guys. They fully implementing the CBDC, but the Nigerians, they are against it. They don't want it. They don't like it. So they are still fighting it, guys. They're not adopting the CBDC.
That's true. So, guys, tell us what's happening in your country.
Yes, if your country has implemented the CBDC and what it's called. What it's called, guys. Please, on a comment below, just inform us, because information is power.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, guys, and don't forget to research our paper money new design.
Yes, guys, and tell us how do you think it is. I like it. I really like
beautiful.
it. Even the coins, because we're keeping the other coins. We're gonna keep this one also.
We need to, because maybe this is the last of the fiat we'll ever see. The last design maybe that will ever come across. All
right, guys,
we'd like to thank our subscribers.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
New and old, welcome back.
Welcome back, the old, the new ones,
and thank you for subscribing. And don't forget the
like button.
That's a magic button, guys. Please don't forget it.
Yes, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.